Hi there, my friends of ESOL 034. Let's take a look at your week 3 assignments. Make sure to read my announcement and notice that you have 3 assignments that you need to submit for this week. In addition, you need to be prepared for that small quiz on chapters 1 through 3 of Number the Stars that we will have at the end of class in week 4. As you know, to find your assignments, you are going to go to Content, and then you will move down to Module 1 and, of course, Week 3. Take a look at, again, those 3 assignments, your due dates as well. We worked on this character matching exercise in class. It looks like most of you have done it, got your 100%, so that is wonderful. If you did not do this, make sure to get that done. It is quick. Next, you know that you are going to finish reading chapters 2 and 3, reading for comprehension. So you may need to read more than once or go back and read again if you start to lose focus. You'll read those 2 chapters, noticing the vocabulary words and the questions on the worksheet, which is here. Just like last week, you will download the worksheet, save it to your computer, complete it, save it, and then submit it to me. Think about what we talked about using questions, the questions asked, using parts of those questions to respond in complete sentences. Okay, you have a course video here. It is from a previous semester, but it should help you out. And then your final assignment for this week, after reading chapters 2 and 3, I want you to skim back through those chapters. And as I explained in class, you are going to choose that one sentence from either chapter 2 or 3. And you are going to either write about a connection you have, something you realize from what you already know that is interesting to you in that particular sentence. If you have a question, you want to explain why you're wondering it. Again, show me in your post that you're reading the book and you understand what's happening, even if there is a question that you have about it. Okay, so explain what's happening around that sentence you chose that is making you question it. Anything that is really interesting to you about that sentence, you can write about, but I want you to be thorough. First, you're going to copy the entire sentence like we've been doing, noticing the capitalization and the punctuation, okay? And using those quotation marks to show that they are somebody else's words. You'll copy the sentence just as you see here in this example, and then you will write your response. And again, notice that this example response is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. I want specific information that explains what's happening in the book around that sentence, and then explain clearly why it's interesting to you. Okay, as you know, you will also reply to 2 classmates. Remember, don't just say, "Ooh, that's good," because that is not going to count. You need to explain that you understand, the comment that they've made, and try to connect it back to the book or another experience, something else that you can relate it to. Show me what you can do here, okay? You will not see your classmates' posts until you have already done yours. So if you're looking to see what other people did, it's not going to work for this one. As you know, to create your discussion post, you're going to click on the hyperlink. You are going to start a new thread, enter your subject here, and you will write your response here in the text box. Open this rubric to see how this major assignment is being graded, okay? Taking a look, you'll see that it's graded on here out of 60, but you're showing that you understand the book and you can think about it and show your thoughts. You can thoroughly answer what's being asked of you to do. You're writing in a clear manner that we can understand. You are trying to use maybe new vocabulary or vocabulary, just academic vocabulary, okay? And this right here, if you don't reply to your two classmates, then you don't get the points. And I'm going to be more stern about that on this assignment, okay? So those are your assignments here in week 3. As always, you know to get in touch with me if you have any questions. Talk to you all soon.